I need a quick breakfast for a road trip I'm going on tomorrow, so we're going to make a tiramisu-inspired chia seed pudding. We're going to start with 1 cup of cold coffee or espresso, or you can use water with espresso or instant coffee powder. Then we're going to mix in 4 tablespoons of chia seeds and 1 to 2 tablespoons of maple syrup or your sweetener of choice. Then you're going to pop that in the fridge for about 4 hours or overnight until your chia seeds have hydrated and the mixture is nice and thick. Then you're going to grab a glass or a bowl and we're going to layer some of your chia seed pudding mix, and then we're going to add some yogurt of choice for the creamy part of your tiramisu. Then add some more of your chia seed pudding mix, some more yogurt, and then top with some cocoa powder just for that classic tiramisu vibe. Then dig in and enjoy. Now I need to take this in the car with me, so I'm just going to transfer this all to a more travelable container, because little do I know I'm about to spend 16 hours in my car, but at least I get to start the day off right with a nice chia pudding packed with fiber, healthy fats, and protein.